Hey guys, now we're going to the itzy concert.
My bad, I was wrong about you, alright? Made a habit of convincing myself you was different. Me and
if you cheer for us and dance and sing for us, you know that we're always ready to come up to the stage again, right?
Hey guys, we just got back from the concert and honestly that was amazing. That was like one of my favorite concerts ever. The visuals were amazing, the sound was amazing. Honestly, it caught me by surprise because I don't really listen to itzy that often, but it was honestly so much better in person and I was so happy with the results.
same man and different guys, what am I missing? Same lesson like what did I could get high, no. Shit too fat for you to be having side hoes.
Pretzels and corn chips, hockey, and some water in this heavy glass bottle.
We fought someone to get here. Someone was standing in my parking spot while I was waiting for 20 minutes.
And I was in the bathroom.
Yeah,
The dirty bathroom.
yeah. The car pulled out and then the person, two people, walked into the parking spot to try to reserve it for someone else going the wrong way. Do better, people. Hey guys, right now we're going to dinner with the boys. We're getting some El Mariachi tacos and can't wait. And I'm actually very late right now because the dinner was supposed to start at 7, but now it's literally 7:30. So if you guys are watching this, I'm so sorry.
10 minutes, eh?
10 minutes.
What the fuck was that about?
She too good for you to just treat me like the mother bitches. Like I ain't different, like I just stay silent when you was going through it. Like I ain't be on your side and all up on you going stupid. Like I don't be doing right by you, ain't right for you. Be just what you like for you. I cut off all my ties for you. Like I didn't do right by you. That was just a lesson for you. So no, I ain't gonna be stressing on it. I gave my best and I put blessings on you. So but no, I ain't gonna be checking for you. I guess I was
David,
Yeah.
have you ever been here before?
No.
David, quick speed blitz, go.
Jordan.
Yo.
If you were to be in this place,
Okay.
what would the reason be?
Heard? If I was here, shit, I might be asking for death, bro, to be honest. But we here for a good time, not a long time. There you go. That's my answer.
Okay.
That's my answer.
Solomon.
Yes.
Would you like to go here in the future?
Orgy. Present.
What will you wear to a place like this?
My battle suit.
Let's start voting, gents.
Alright.
Who thinks it's me?
Okay.
So the round ends, so this is the voting round, right? Yeah. So
We can all
who thinks
vote
it's me?
once.
Huh?
We can all
Yes,
once.
only vote once.
one?
So who thinks it's me? Who thinks it's Josh? Who thinks it's Dorji?
I actually don't even know anyone.
What? Are you dead ass?
Yeah, you're kind of.
Yo, my answers are proper.
He thinks it's David.
Hey, you didn't vote, right?
Yeah. Solomon.
You voted for Solomon?
Yeah.
Wait, so it's split
We're
between
tied.
two.
So it's one.
Do you want to ask like one? Do you want to ask a question or something? Or like, how do you want to do this?
We need a
So it's a
tiebreaker.
tie between these two, I guess.
How about you both? Like, you guys ask each of us one question and we'll both answer.
Oh yeah. No, fair. You know, different question. Right.
No, he answered high dining. So one of my questions. Let the record show that. That's true.
Oh wait, that is true.
What the fuck answer was that? What do you mean, bro?
Wait a second. He didn't say that.
Alright, but go on.
I want to hear this answer question.
What would be your worst fear at this place? Let's see this.
Good question. Not as
What say you, Josh? What's death?
Georgie, is a place like this in a hot or cold climate?
I'd say it's pretty cold.
Your worst fear of this place is death?
I said it's
It's a cold climate.
Guys,
I'm changing
I
my
still
vote
think
to
it's
Josh.
Solomon.
I'm changing my vote to Josh.
Josh is
I'm changing my vote to Josh.
3-1 for Josh. Yeah, what do you think?
I think it's Josh.
Alright,
Let the spy reveal themselves.
it was me. No, I did it.
What is it? What is it?
Okay. Okay, let me decipher this.
Oh yeah, you gotta guess.
Okay, it's a cold place. And people can die there.
Can they? Or can they?
You guys wouldn't take any of your, like, you guys don't want to take anyone there.
There's a list of places that it can be, by the way.
Oh, really?
Yeah, scroll down.
Oh, hey, Crusader Army.
No.
What? What did you say?
He said Crusader Army.
No.
It was a submarine.
Why'd you say Crusader Army? I don't know.
There's no lesson for it. So trust that I ain't gon' be stressing on it. I gave my best and I put blessings on you. So best believe I don't be checking for you.
Alright, 3 more questions, Brandon.
Fast answer, quick.
Is this a place you'd fly to or drive to?
To who?
Oh yeah, who are you asking?
Who you asking?
Oh, Solomon. I'll take one.
Oh.
I didn't want to trip flying.
To save some money, I'd drive.
Okay.
Interesting
You ain't-
answer.
you ain't
or
too
is it a good one? Okay.
To take your family to a place like this?
I mean, shit. If I'm treating them, you know. Nah, I'm just. You know, I could.
Okay. Last question. All right, last question, Jordan.
Josh,
Hello.
my brother.
That's good
You
twins.
say you would like to go there to this place.
Yes.
Okay.
I want to go there soon. All right.
Is that it?
That's the last answer. Last question.
I would like to go there soon.
Plot twist. 3 of you are spies.
Wait, what?
Dude, because I'm like, bro, these answers are so
you know
dog
the
out.
Yeah, look. 2 of you know the location. Now, I'd like you to guess who the 2 spies are.
2, 3.
The 3 spies are.
The 3 spies are.
And the 2 nowheres are.
Who are the 3 spies?
Jordan, Solomon, and fucking.
Yeah, literally in that order.
Yeah, that was like really good.
You're crazy.
What was the answer?
Is it a resort?
Water
It was a
park.
water park.
Yeah,
what?
water
Those are
park.
my
What
answers.
the fuck? I was thinking McDonald's
different,
for this shit, bro.
Like I said, I would like to go there,
$15.
bro.
Alright, bye guys. Made you feel like it was bigger. Why you treat me like I'm regular when I made you the